Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Tom Yum Buldak the only way. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pack of Buldak instant noodles, 2 tablespoons of Tom Yum paste, and 1/4 cup of coconut milk. Also, prepare about 4 ounces of shrimp, 1 cup of sliced mushrooms, and a 1/2 cup of cherry tomatoes. Don't forget fresh lime juice, fish sauce, and cilantro for garnish. Now, let's start building our incredible flavor base. Begin by boiling your Buldak noodles according to the package instructions, usually for about 3 minutes, then drain them well and set them aside. In a separate pan, heat a small amount of oil and sauté 2 tablespoons of Tom Yum paste until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. Next, pour in 1/4 cup of coconut milk and a 1/2 cup of water, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. With our flavorful broth simmering, it's time to add the main components. Carefully introduce your 4 ounces of shrimp and 1 cup of sliced mushrooms into the pan. Let them cook gently for approximately 3 minutes, or until the shrimp turn a beautiful pink and the mushrooms become tender. Finally, stir in your previously cooked Buldak noodles and the 1/2 cup of halved cherry tomatoes, ensuring everything is well combined. To complete your Tom Yum Buldak, add a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice and a dash of fish sauce to taste, adjusting for your preferred balance of sour and savory. Give it a final stir, then garnish with plenty of fresh cilantro. Serve your delicious creation immediately and enjoy every spicy, tangy bite. For more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.